I love this salad dressing. I absolutely love it. Now you can make a half a recipe using half a can of this and then, make the other half of the tomato soup into soup. But the recipe calls for 1 can of soup and 1 cup of oil, vegetable oil, half a cup of white vinegar. This stuff is good. I'm telling you, it's good. Sugar, 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup sugar. Garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Mustard powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt, table salt, 1 teaspoon. Celery seed, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, half a teaspoon. Then just mix this up in your blender and pour into your glass container. I've kept this about 6 weeks. It was fine for 6 weeks in the refrigerator. It really grows on you. It's like a French dressing, a version of French dressing, and it tastes wonderful. Here's what we made right here. We made Dorthy Lynch dressing. It's like a French dressing, very close to a really good tasting French. My homemade recipe makes 3 cups, so it comes up to about here. I've already used quite a bit of it, and this is what it looks like out of the Dorthy Lynch bottle compared to the homemade. It tastes extremely close. It's a very good French dressing. I hope you try it, and thank you for watching.